Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool bubbles edit on CapCut PC. So find like bubbles like PNG and then you're just going to kind of adjust it like so. And I am going to be using three main videos, and the others could be like pictures and stuff. So I'm just going to choose, for instance, this video, and make sure the overlay is on top of the video. Just adjust that. Select the first video, go to mask, and select circle, and just adjust it like so. And you want to kind of feather it out just a little bit. Go to basic and scale it down. I'm also going to lock the track so it doesn't move while I'm moving the video. I'm going to put the first video here. Just zoom in so you guys can like adjust it just a little bit better, like so. Okay, so like this much. And then I'm also going to add another video on top of that. And again, I'm going to mask it into a circle, leaving just a little space to feather it out at like 2%. Go to basic, and you're just going to scale it again and put it in another bubble, and you're going to just scale it till it fits the whole circle. And you're going to just do that for all of the videos and the photos. I'm going to add in one more for the video up here, and also make sure that your videos are the same, like the same duration and stuff. Okay, let's put it here and feather it out at 2. Also going to scale it down and put it on this bubble. And for the rest, you can just add in pictures. You can also add in videos, but the other bubbles are quite small. I'm just going to leave it for now, and you can edit, like you can add stuff later. And I'm going to add in a background. So I'm also going to zoom out here, and on the like first video, you're just going to go to canvas, and you're going to go to style. You can also go to colors if you want, and you can also add in your own pictures, but I think I'm going to choose like this color, or like a watery background. You can also use a video for your background if you'd like, and you can also adjust it just a little bit again here. But that is it, really super simple. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!